Ooh. Well, today we're mounting up this wide body kit. I couldn't wait. I'm just doing some test fitting. I got the sander out. I'm sanding away all these flanges that were made, or that were put on when it was made. So I'm just test fitting it. I'll probably throw you guys up on a time lapse. I'm gonna be throwing it up just back and forth for about probably 30 more minutes. And then I'm gonna put self tappers through these holes right here, just to hold it in place where the rivets would go, or rib nuts. Just to hold it in place for now, just real small self tappers. And what that's gonna let me do is it's gonna let me mark on the body where I need to drill out and put regular rib nuts. First part of it on, you see how well it lines up with how straight it lines up with the side skirt. I really like that. I'm already seeing some fitment issue right here because I just don't know how to sand. When I ordered these parts, I'll show you the other one actually. These over fenders are from Mod Section, but when you order them, what he does, some people like this, some people don't, but what he does is put this on top of the 2J. He leaves a lot of the flange he used, like right here, when creating, this is obviously a mold. He leaves a lot of the flange that he used when he was creating the mold, fiberglass. And so in order for this to look good, obviously you gotta sand down a lot of this to get to the actual size, the actual part. But that also allows you the versatility. You can sand it just so you have that perfect, fit right here. If I want a little bit tighter clearances, I can shave this down, or a little bit less clearance. It lets you customize all that. So yeah, I'm really liking the way this looks. Now obviously that's not the right wheel, not the right brakes, none of that. But still. And eventually, I can't decide yet whether or not I want to go ahead and try to mold the quarter panel to the fender. The over fender, and just see how it looks. Gas tank, like ease. Yeah. As you can see, this thing is wide and it looks amazing. It just lines up almost perfectly with my side skirt now. Yeah, well, the way I did it is first thing first is you tape up the wide body. You just see see the placement of it, what needs to be shaved. Then you take it outside, sand it down, come back and you test fit. Take it back outside, sand it, test fit, take it back outside, sand it. And then what I did is I come back inside, and you can see right here what I'm using to hold them in right now is I'm using some self-tapping screws. These right here. They're local metal to metal. I don't know, it works. But what that does, the smaller the better actually. What that does is that leaves you a nice clean hole where you need to go ahead, and if you like the placement of the wide body, you can go ahead and drill out that hole and put your riv nuts in there. But it also lets you, it doesn't leave too big of a hole that you can't just move it. So if I don't like the placement of this wide body, I can move it 2 inches to the left, 2 inches to the right, whatever I need to do in order to make it look good. Because I only use self-tappers. But yeah, You can see this thing looks crazy, man. I'm so excited to have just a big ass tire under there.